Hey there guys, Darlex Gaming here. Feeling a little under the weather right now. What the fuck? Take it all back. I guess I could. Guys, I went home, found all my stuff there. I was live yesterday, I think, playing with my friends, so I was having a good time. I don't know. I can't explain what's happened over the past week or two. I can't. Fucking shit. I don't feel like walking down the hallway. They say if you snap your fingers, you can time travel. See if it's true. Yo, what the fuck? That actually worked. What else can this shit do? Even anything, I wonder. So you can time travel too, what the fuck? So good, I'm just sitting out here. We'll do it. Where's one place I need to be right now? What the fuck? What the fuck was that? What the fuck? What the fuck? Fuck that shit. That's my last shit right there. Going through the cracks. What time is it? That was like a fucking jump scare. What the fuck? You can hear that? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Who's legit fucking